Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Oaks and Company. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today is kind of like a power hour where I'm just getting as much done as I can before we go on vacation. So in today's video, I'll be washing dishes, hanging up and folding some laundry, maybe wiping down my bathroom, that kind of thing, just to prepare so that when I come back, I don't have such a messy house to come home to. Also in this video, I'll be making a cake. We had some friends move very near to us, and so I wanted to make them a cake and take it to them. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So on to the cake baking. This is a very simple recipe. I'm always looking for simple cake mix recipes, and this one is just one box of chocolate cake mix, 16 ounces of sour cream, and chocolate chips, a package of Jello instant chocolate pudding, and an egg. This batter turned out so decadent. Oh my goodness. It was so yummy. So y'all, you just throw it all in there and then let it mix up. And I did save some chocolate chips for garnish on top of the icing later. But just let it all mix up. and spoon it into a bundt pan. Now here I am greasing the snot out of this bundt pan, because you know how bad it is if you make someone a cake and only half of it comes out. So I really coat that bundt pan good. But I just spoon the mixture in, and it's, like I said before, it's really thick and decadent. So I stuck it in there and then mushed it around and then just popped it in the oven. Time to check the cake. So you'll see me getting a fork and poking it real good to see if it comes out clean. It's all done. So we're going to attempt to get this bundt cake on my cake carrier in one whole piece, and it works out. I was so excited. It turned out so pretty. I guess all the spray really did help. Anyway, so the next thing I do is I just get a tub of chocolate frosting, and I stuck it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and then pulled it out and stirred it really well so that I could just pour it on top of the cake, and then I garnished it with chocolate chips. I was going to let y'all know that if you can hear traffic in the background during my voiceovers, I am so sorry. But I am sitting in my chair in front of my camper at my campsite on vacation doing voiceovers. So anyway, that's what that traffic noise is. Y'all, look how yummy and decadent my cake turned out. I was so excited. It turned out so good. Alright, back to reality. I could have kept on cooking, but we gotta get this house straightened up before we can go on vacation, because I do not want to come home to a messy home. So I had to put up my Cricut because I'd been playing on it earlier. I need to get my table all put back in order, and then start hanging up some clothes. I got to get these clothes hung up in my closet. And I recently color coordinated all my clothes and all Matt's clothes. And I've done this numerous times and just have not been able to keep up with it. But this time I have decided that I'm going to keep it in order. So you can see me sitting here actually taking the time and making sure I get everything put in all the right spots. Let me know in the comments below if you have yours color coordinated and if you have been able to keep up with it yourself. My bathroom needed a major wipe down. I did not like show cleaning the toilet and all that, but I did show like cleaning my tub, wiping my counters down, and I had just cleaned my mirror recently, so I didn't clean it because it was already clean. But there was just like a lot of hair and hairspray and things like that on the counter, so I wanted to go ahead and get that wiped down and get the sink cleaned out. And then on my tub, you'll see that there is a ring around my tub. And I guess it was either my self-tanner or I had cleaned a house earlier that day that was real dusty. So I don't know I think it was just a mixture of dust and self-tanner came off in my tub when I was soaking. So you'll see this like ring around the tub, but I got it out, so that's all that matters. Done wiping this tub out, I'm going to end the video here. I am so glad that y'all came to watch my video today and support me. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and help a girl grow. See y'all next time.